hood keep getting blown off. We out here in the motherfucking blizzard, bro. It's still snowing. Got the trucks out here doing their shit. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Swaganese Travels, man. We live from New York City, man. We caught up in the fucking blizzard, bro. There's nothing out here moving. I literally like probably one of the only people out here moving in the snow. Look at the cars. These shits. See the buses coming up here. Yeah, I wanted to capture this moment for you guys that's out in all these hot places. Shout out to all my people that's in Honduras, DR, Costa Rica, and all these places right now. This shit right here, man, nobody could have prepared for this. This is what a blizzard in New York City looks like. At these streets. Everything buried. Land is buried. Look at that. See that shit? Look, y'all. This is what a winter in New York City looks like. The trees. That's how deep it is right now, because this is the sidewalk. This is deep. I can't walk down that way. That side is blocked off because literally would be up to my kneecaps over there probably. But yeah, man, this is New York City. You know what I mean? What a blizzard look like in New York City. This is by far probably like the worst blizzard that we've had in New York City for like, I would say close to 5-6 years. Maybe 2021, I think it was the last blizzard that we actually had like a bad blizzard. Like, this is the worst I've seen in a long time. But ain't nothing moving out here, as y'all can see. Most of the businesses are closed right now. There's probably 1 or 2 stores that's probably still open. You know, the Delis is gonna be open. The Delis, they don't close for nothing. I gotta get into it. Digging this snow up. Guy out here working. Yeah. You're gonna try to stop in here real quick. Get some motherfucking coffee. It's cold enough for you, my guy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, y'all. Swaganese Travels, New York City. Blizzard. What up, my guys? But this is the deli in New York City. I gotta wait for Ike to come back so I can try to get me a coffee. But this is our stores. For all y'all don't know, I'm gonna show y'all our delis in the city. I forgot I ain't been back here in a minute. You know what I mean? But this is one of the better ones. This is one of the better delis right here. This one is like one of the biggest delis that they got. So it's almost look like a supermarket and a deli at the same time type shit. But yeah. What's up, Ike? Let me get a small coffee with 2 sugars and milk. Or half and half, actually. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we back. We are back in the blizzard. Got me a little small coffee, you know what I'm saying? Something light. something light for the little walk real quick. I can see this shit's nasty out here. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. But yeah, this is the BX. We in the BX right now, so this is what the Bronx look like in the snow. Couple of cars out here. They actually not supposed to be on the road right now, unless you're an essential worker, probably. Like maybe working for like the you know, the Plows or shit like that. They're not really supposed to be out here on these roads. Yeah, my hood keep getting blown off. Whew. Yeah. We out here in the motherfucking blizzard, bro. Shit crazy, right? But this is what we be trying to duck, man. So these are the reasons why I travel a lot too, to escape some of this winter, you know. So this is what you guys are seeing now. So when you guys see me in Costa Rica, yeah, man, about to dip out, and this is what we trying to get away from. This shit nasty out here in New York City. This is not the place to be right now. You know what I mean? Everybody in the house warm and shit. Y'all out there on the beaches. This is what we dealing with right now. Right here in New York City. Nasty work. Nasty work. Look at this. You barely can even see anything around here. You barely can see anything. The bus is moving through. But look how deep it is. You guys can see. Look. But you can't even see that I'm walking through here. This is actually like a little park that you can walk through. But yeah, you ain't gonna wanna walk through there right now. Definitely ain't gonna wanna walk through there right now. But I was trying to walk in that motherfucking street over there. So I ain't gotta be stuck walking in this shit. Whew. Shit nasty out here. Let's walk this way. Show you guys a little bit. See, they got the snow plows and the trucks out here. But yo, this shit full-fledged blizzard right now. So they pretty much, they doing their shit, but it's gonna be a lost cause because they're gonna have to be out here all day doing it. Because this is still snowing, as you guys can see. You guys can see it's still snowing. Got the trucks out here doing their shit. And these are the big trucks right here, probably drop the salt. Not much moving out here but me. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to y'all, man. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. This is what a fucking blizzard look like, y'all. For all y'all that never been to America, y'all missing shit like this. If y'all do like the be in the cold and the snow, I'm sure the kids will like stuff like this, but man, I'd rather be on the beach. You know what I mean? Definitely rather be in the beach or somewhere warm right now. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys with the difference, the contrast. You know what I mean? For a person like myself that's from New York City, from America, this is what we gotta deal with in the winter. So like I said, when in my Honduras vlog, I would rather take the rainy season over this anytime. The rainy season over this anytime. This is nasty work. Look how deep this is. Nasty work. That's how high it is. You know what I'm saying? That's how high the snow is over here. I would absolutely take the rainy over this. Hopefully I don't get sick doing this. We don't need to be under the weather. It's not a good time to be under the weather. But yeah, man, Swaganese travels, New York City, in the middle of the fucking winter blizzard. And we're tuned back here with y'all in a minute. Gotta get my life. Drink me some coffee real quick. Know what I mean? Warm up my hands. Yeah. This is what it is, y'all. Shouts to Honduras, shouts to Costa Rica, shouts to all the hot places in the world where y'all just chilling right now on the beach, probably with shorts on. This is what we dealing with right now. This is real time, y'all. New York City. Swaganese Travels, man. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. You heard my pips? We outside. We outside again, y'all. There's not a lot of people out here at all. No kids, you don't see no kids out here playing in the snow no more. See, when I was younger, when I was coming up, me and my friends, we would have been in the middle of this shit right now. We'd have been flipping off the monkey bars into this shit right now. I mean, these young dudes out here, they don't like to have fun like that. You don't see no kids, no nothing. Nobody doing angels in the snow no more. They don't do none of that stuff no more. I don't know if you guys can read the signs, but it say not in service. So even the buses is not in service right now. Buses is not in service, the trains are out of service. Like the city is on a complete lockdown right now. Rightfully so, as you guys can see. No cars is really supposed to be moving around like that, like I said. Usually when it's like this, cars, especially if you got a regular car, you're gonna get stuck. As you can see, they over here doing the sidewalks. Alright. So they doing the sidewalks. At least they trying to get some of this stuff up. But yeah, like I was saying, like the cars is not really supposed to be on the streets right now. Obviously, they'll get stuck and then they need a rescue. So it's dangerous to be out here unless you got like a you know, like a truck or something like that, but even then that might get stuck. But you got four-wheel drive or something like that. Well, they do got some buses that's still operating, as you can see. But majority of the buses that just passed, it's like 3 buses right here. All of those are shut down. So there's not a lot moving around here. Again, you don't see no kids out here. Nobody's having fun like we used to do back in the days. Nobody's sledding down the hills, down the steps, or nothing. Like, this is stuff that we used to do when I was a kid. I miss them days. Them days is long gone now. Kids out here, they want to terrorize the neighborhoods, smoke weed. I ain't trying to have no fun. Even I'm talking about the young niggas, they ain't trying to have no fun. Y'all want to smoke weed too and terrorize the neighborhood. Niggas is 12, 13, 14. Instead of sledding and having fun in the snow right now, these niggas is tearing up the neighborhoods, man. But yeah, man, this is Swaganese Travels. This is a blizzard in New York City. Reporting live. Alright. So we outside, man. We're tuned back in the trial. And somewhere nice tropical area. Alright, we're gonna get up out this snow, man. Y'all stay tuned.